Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of art with a unique drawing tutorial. We'll be creating an exciting scene depicting a drawing competition. Picture this, a serene grassy lawn, students focused on their masterpieces, and a teacher overseeing their progress. That is exactly what we would be drawing today. Let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, what is the term used to describe the technique of shading in drawing, where a gradual transition is created from light to dark? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. We will first sketch out the foreground. Let us start by placing our characters with drawing their outlines. The key to a good drawing is to start with basic shapes. We will first add the teacher, leaning over, peering at the students' artworks. His torso is drawn using a curved rectangle and cylinders for his legs and hands. We will draw his face using oval. Now, we will draw the two students sitting on the lush green grass. Let's outline their bodies using curved rectangle for the torso and almond-like shape for the faces. Don't forget to add in the details of their clothing and art supplies. We will also add the facial details here, like the eyes, the nose and the mouth. These students are completely absorbed in their creations. Let us add the details to our teacher's outline before moving to draw the background. We will add his facial details like the eyes, nose and the mouth. To bring out the character in him, we will add specs and a bald head that will suit the persona of a teacher more. Now, let's focus on the background. We will draw two more students painting and engrossed in their artwork. We'll sketch in their figures, their canvas, and a beautiful scenery around them. The background here is equally important. The perspective adds depth to our drawing, making it more dynamic and engaging. For the beautiful scenery, we will sketch out lush green grass and bushes along with trees. We will also draw the entrance gate to this ground. No artwork looks lively until we add colors in it. So let's get to the fun part and fill in the beautiful colors. Remember to add a few shadows and use different shades to bring out more depth and realism. And there you have it, our drawing of a vibrant art competition scene, brimming with creativity and passion. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer, the technique, is called gradation or blending. It involves smoothly transitioning tones or colors from light to dark, creating a sense of depth and dimension in the artwork. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.